What's the meaning of boardroom? Boardroom. Boardroom.
Boardroom. Boardroom. The term boardroom refers to a designated meeting space in an organization where the board of directors or senior executives come together to discuss and make important decisions relating to the company's strategy, direction, and performance. The boardroom is typically a formal setting that often includes a large conference table, chairs, lighting, and audiovisual equipment to facilitate presentations and discussions. The boardroom plays a crucial role in corporate governance as it is where key decisions are made that affect the company's future. It is also where important financial and operational reports are presented, and where stakeholders can review and scrutinize the performance of the company's leadership.